Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today start a new batch, a new beginner student, very helpful and very useful. Then Solidworks start lecture first. At first, s- at first some point discuss in Solidworks very important. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Today all 4 points is discussed here in computer in SolidWorks 2016. New version SolidWorks 2016. At first 4 point today discuss explain all these points deeply and clearly. At first point discuss menu bar, and you see a SolidWorks software open, all see on the screen. Then first point is menu bar, then discuss SolidWorks, all this point is menu bar. Okay, file, edit, view, insert, tools, simulation, photo view, 360, window, help, all points is used in menu bar. Second point is toolbar. Then second point is toolbar. ABC, measure, mass properties, section properties, sensors, performance evaluation, any so on. All this point is called a toolbar. Toolbars. And third point, command manager. Command manager is this all command is, this all sketch is called a command manager. Command extrude boss base, revolve boss base, soft boss base, lofted boss base, boundary boss base, and a sketch here, line, center line, multi-line, and rectangle, and slot, circle, arc, and polygon. All command is 2D, and this all command is 3D. But this all is in name is called command manager. And next point is configuration manager. Configuration manager is this point. This is a configuration manager. This point is configuration manager, and open part configurations, default part 1, any design created in user face in workspace. This is a workspace, and any design create in workspace, then some point is here, so all configuration then is called configuration. Today 4 point is discussed here. First point is menu bar, second point is toolbar, third point is command manager, and fourth point is configuration manager. And this is a workspace. Okay guys, next video is coming soon, and one point is missing here. This is a all point, see here. And guys, subscribe, like, and share, don't forget. Okay guys, thank you.